Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the Rideau River.
So if you watched our last video, you know that we are staying in Rideau River Provincial Park. In the last video, we gave you a tour of the campground, we showed you some of the campsites, and we showed you the cabin that we are staying in. But today, we are taking advantage of some of the outdoor activities that this park has to offer. So today, we've rented a canoe.
I'm having flashbacks of our portage trip in Algonquin. I don't want to carry this sucker on my shoulders, tell you what.
All right, we are officially off.
Make him do all the hard work.
Yeah.
Whew. She is a hot one out here today. I am definitely glad I wore my sunscreen. So the plan for today is we are going to canoe up the Rideau River for maybe about an hour and a half, and we're going to try and find somewhere to have a nice little picnic that I've packed for us, and then we are going to turn around and come right back down. We're staying right over there. I can see our little dock from here. So there is a beach here at the provincial park, but looking in the river, I don't think I want to swim here. It's pretty swampy, essentially. Swampy. Yeah. Ducks, little duckies. Go Chris, go Chris. I swear I paddle too sometimes. So far I prefer Algonquin canoeing just because there's no motorized vehicles allowed at Algonquin. So this makes for some fun waves, I guess, but yeah, I definitely prefer Algonquin. It's a little bit more peaceful. So one thing we forgot was our little seats that just sit right in on the canoe. Oh my God, my back hates me right now. Dislike. And we see something in the water up ahead. I'm not sure what it is. Could be a log. Don't know. I think it's a log. It's a rock or a piece of wood, like driftwood. Well, we were really hoping that that was something, but it's just a piece of wood.
So neither one of us brought our phones, so we actually have no idea how long we've been paddling for. But if I had to guess, we've probably been out here for just over an hour. We see a spot where there's like a public road that leads up to the water with like a boat launch. So we're gonna take that opportunity to stop there, have some lunch, because we really haven't seen too many spots along this river where we can actually pull off. It's a lot of private cottages and a lot of marshy, seaweedy type stuff that we wouldn't be able to pull off into. So we're gonna pull off onto this boat launch, have some lunch, and then we'll get back on the water.
Feels good to stand just for a minute. How's your back feel?
Ooh, definitely feels good to stand.
Need those chairs.
Oh, that bug's crawling up me already. Yeah, we forgot our chairs. That's a bummer for lunch.
Yeah, for sure.
But I guess we'll make do.
All right, so for lunch, I've just packed charcuterie. We're fancy like that. Just some sandwich buns, some meat, some pepperoni, some cheese, crackers, grapes, and that's it. Sweet, simple, and then we can get back on the water. We just finished up our lunch. Now it's time to get back on that water. All right, so to rent this bad boy, we paid $40 for 6 hours, which I think is pretty good. You can also rent it for 2 hours for, I believe, $25. Now, we rented this at the main park office, where you register for your campsite. And it's pretty easy process. They give you your paddles, your life jackets, and your safety kit. And then you drive down towards the beach where the boat dock is, and you take your canoe and you go. Lily pads, very pretty flowers. And now we've gone into the thick, like seaweedy, and you can probably hear it on the bottom of the boat. And Christian, he just seaweeded his legs. Yeah, this is not the most ideal river for canoeing. A lot of people have boats and stuff, but man, we've seen a motor just covered. So we are almost back to the dock, and then we are going to put the canoe back on the rack, lock it up, and then we have to take our life jackets, our paddles, and our safety kit back to the registration office. Incoming. Muscles. Oh, sir, do you want me to help?
All right, canoe is locked up. Let's head back to the registration office, drop off this key, grab some ice for our cooler.
Yes.
The mosquitoes are pretty bad right now. All right, we've got the food on the barbecue. Man, canoeing out in the sun definitely makes you work up an appetite. I am so hungry. Now we've got a few different types of sausage on the barbecue picked up from the farmer's market the other day. We got some honey badger ones, which are honey and bacon. We have a maple bacon, I believe, and we're also trying a blueberry sausage. Well, dinner was absolutely delicious.
It was amazing.
The bugs are still out a little bit, but we're gonna start up a campfire and hopefully that'll take care of them.
Heck yeah.
But this is where we're gonna end the video. Hope you guys enjoyed our little canoeing adventure. In our next video, we're gonna explore a bit more of the shoreline of the provincial park and do a bit of hiking. So stay tuned for that one. But thanks a lot for watching to the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
You just paddle me. Paddle. Harder. Harder. Row. 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 The person in charge of this boat is kind of a dick. It's me. Shh. Quiet, please. Filming in progress. Row, 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 row. Yeah.